In this video, I'll show you how to replace your Audi RS5 key fob battery step by step. We'll go through, it's very easy to do yourself. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is, in this case, a CR2032, and you'll just need one of those. These are inexpensive, you can find them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. All we want to do to get started is flip the key fob over down here on the bottom on the metal part. You can see that button right there. Hold it down and pull out the internal key. Now back on the face of the key fob on the bottom, that is actually a button. You can see how that goes down. All you want to do is hold that down and then holding the sides of the key fob, start to pull. It takes a little bit of force, but it will start coming out. There we go. And just wiggle this part out. Now that we have this out, we can just simply remove the battery. Now, if you want to dispose of your battery, grab your new CR2032. And when you're ready to put it back in there, the positive side that has the text and the plus on it should be facing down. Just click that into place, positive side down. And now we could just slide this back in there, push it all the way into place, and put the key back on there as well. And if you want to make sure you did everything correctly, you can check to make sure that that light is turning on. And if it is, you should be good to go with your new battery. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.